I did have one little trick that I came up with this. So when you're screwing these in, whatever side you're screwing, just pull the box all the way up against the drywall right there. Screw this one in, and that'll give you the support that you need, so it doesn't actually buckle and go in, which is what I had to happen here. And then pull it over to the other side and do the exact same thing, and then you can line it up, and then you can get it level, and then you can put your plate on it. But I'm gonna try a old work high voltage box. They're a little bit more rigid, and I think that's really what that's intended for, because these low voltage rings, they're just so flimsy, and as big as it cuts the hole, it's not so great. But anyways, check this out, the little Q-bit thing. It's pretty cool. The Milwaukee multi-tool actually seems like it's holding up. I bought it off of eBay, just the tool only, and I'm happy with it so far. And it allowed me to get rid of my Dremel tool. I used my Dremel tool for, like, when you're mounting one of these door strikes, you got to cut it into a wood frame. But now this multi-tool should be able to handle it, and it goes with all the other Milwaukee stuff that I had. And I'm happy with the 12 volt one. The 18 volt may have been cool, but 12 volt one, I had the battery, so it worked pretty good. All right, all the links will be below.